Daddy wanted to see the reaction. Would you get on your tablet? We need to go.
I am on the tablet.
Is videotaping yourself?
Yeah.
Cassie, come here. Okay. Stop. Look at her now. Look at her. Okay. What I told you. Shut up! Did you do your very best? Shut up! When you did your very best this year, did you?
I tried.
Well, we need to go buy you a dress. You're going to the award ceremony.
Oh my god! Really? I made it?
Yeah.
Why are you crying?
I don't know. I'm so proud of her.
What class?
No, you. As they said, extracurricular, so that was Destination Imagination.
I'm going to the award ceremony.
To get an award this time. Love you. Good job.
I have a dress.